Nuclear energy, the energy of tomorrow, or what would have been. Nuclear energy is no longer the golden child we once thought it was. Once the truly horrible negative effects of nuclear radiation was truly discovered, there ensued a fallout of negative press, both rational and irrational.
Nuclear energy has a negative stigma, mainly because of the Chernobyl, 3 Mile Island, and most recently, the Fukushima Daiichi incidents, causing much outcry against nuclear energy, such as the recent anti-nuclear protests in Taiwan. But a fair-haired Norse golden child has arisen out of the molten sludge of ridicule. Thorium. Thorium is a naturally occurring, slightly radioactive metal discovered in 1828 by the Swedish chemist Johns Jacob Berzelius, who named it after Thor, the Norse god of thunder. It is found in small amounts in most rocks and soils, where it is about 3 times more abundant than uranium. Soil contains an average of around 6 parts per million of thorium. The most common source of thorium is a rare earth phosphate metal called monazite, which contains up to about 12% thorium phosphate, but on average it's more like 6 to 7%. Monazite is found in igneous and other rocks, but the richest concentrations are in placer deposits, concentrated by wave and current action with other heavy minerals. World monazite resources are estimated to be about 12 million tons, 2/3 of which are in heavy mineral sand deposits on the south and east coasts of India. However, there are substantial deposits in several other countries, such as Australia and America. Thorium recovery from monazite usually involves leaching with sodium hydroxide at 140 degrees Celsius, followed by a complex process to precipitate pure ThO2. Thorite, ThSiO4, is another commonplace thorium mineral. Since thorium is much more common than uranium, it is significantly cheaper. Thus, if used in a conventional reactor, the cost for both the energy producer and the consumer is greatly decreased. But thorium isn't used in the same reactors as uranium. Instead, it is used in thorium molten salt reactors, TMSRs, or liquid fluoride thorium reactors, LFTR.
Though there have been many nuclear reactors in the past, they have only been trials. For better or for worse, China is pushing to have the world's first thorium nuclear reactor in 10 years instead of 25 years. Many countries are following suit, and a new nuclear race could begin. But this would not be for arms. No, this would be for a solution to our world thirst for energy. And may we have the power to do so.